Now we discuss about the comparison degree between English and Indonesian language. So we translate in positive sentence, we translate as into sama dengan. So sama followed by the adjective and then followed by dengan, sama dengan. In Bahasa Inggris or in English, as is followed the adjective and the adjective followed by as beautiful as lazy as soon as. Okay. In comparative degree, we translate or more than into lebih dari. For example, Rina lebih cantik dari Rebecca. Rina is more beautiful than Rebecca. Lebih is translated into more or greedier, lazier if we use er. But if we use more, it's the same. In bahasa, they are translated into lebih dari, lebih cantik dari, ya, lebih tinggi dari. Okay. In superlative degree, we use paling diantara or paling dari semua. So, for example, Rina paling cantik diantara semua teman sekelasnya. Rina is the most beautiful among her classmates. Yeah. Okay, so I repeat, in positive we translate as into sama dengan. In comparative degree we translate er or more than, more than into lebih dari. In superlative we translate the most or est into paling diantara paling dari semua. Okay, so I made two examples of each. Yeah, so we start from positive degree. Rina sama cantiknya dengan Rebecca. Ya, Rina is as beautiful as Rebecca. Saya sama gantengnya dengan kamu. I am as handsome as you are. Okay, so the second one, Budi sama tingginya dengan Iwan. Ya, sama tingginya dengan Iwan. Budi is as tall as Iwan. Okay, so in positive we translate as into sama dengan. Alright, we continue to comparative degree, lebih dari, more or than, more than, than. Ya, Rina lebih cantik dari Rebecca. Rina is more beautiful than Rebecca. So more is translated into lebih than dari. Ya. Okay, the second one, Budi lebih tinggi dari Iwan. Budi is taller than Iwan. Okay, we continue to the last one, superlative degree. We use paling diantara, paling dari semua. Ya, Rina paling cantik diantara semua teman sekelasnya. Rina is the most beautiful among her classmates. So we compare one from one to all. Yeah. So that's called superlative. But in comparative, we compare one and one. In positive, also we compare one and one. But this is the the positive means the same value, but this is more means the quality. The quality of one stuff is more than the others. But in superlative, the most. Yeah. Okay, so we use the most or est. In English, we have, in comparative, we have a word ended by er if the adjective is one syllable or two syllable. But if more than two syllables, we use more. And then. For example, lazy, lazier. We use more for the three or more than three syllables. For example, beautiful, more beautiful. Okay, then we use then to compare one into one. Dari, yeah. Okay, in superlative we compare one into all. Yeah, into all of the stuff or the people. Yeah. So we use here paling diantara paling dari semua. Yeah. Okay. of all, we use dari semua, among, di antara, ya, among, di antara. Oke, paling, di antara, paling, dari semua. Okay, yeah, just remember in Bahasa Indonesia we use positive also. SS is translated into sama, dengan, and in comparative would be dari, and in superlative we use paling di antara or paling dari semua. I do hope my explanation will add your knowledge about Indonesian language, especially in making comparison degree. Thank you.